Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress.
Hey girls, what's up? It's Tarahgee and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this makeup look right here. I know it's really like loud and out there, and if you're not about it, I totally understand, but I just wanted to try something new and different. I've been looking at a lot of Instagram posts on like melanin, like really dark chocolate women, and everything is just so bright, so colorful, so like summer and vibrant, and I really wanted to try to like bring that energy to this video, and I feel like I did it pretty cool. Like I did it in my own way, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what this video is on, and if you want to see how I got the look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to take my Modern Renaissance palette and go into this shade right here. This is Raw Sienna, and I'm going to buff that through my crease as our transition shade. Next, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange Corrector, and I'm going to put this on my eyelid because I want that orange eyeshadow to really pop. So I'm basically like using this as a base. And then I'm going to go into my Take Me to Brazil palette and use this orange shade right here to set that. I'm going to take some of this like hot pink fuchsia color and run that through my crease. We got a pink, we got an orange. Now I'm going to do some eyeliner. I'm taking my Suva Beauty Hydrogel liner in the shade Dance Party, and I'm going to wet it with a little bit of rose water because it's a hydro liner. That's how you use it. With water. And then I'm just taking an angled brush, and I'm gonna draw a wing on with this. Alright, this is looking pretty dang cool. Pretty dang cool. I want to pop on some eyelashes. I'm going to take my Anastasia Liquid Glow in the shade Bronzed, and I'm going to put some on my face. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and mix it with my primer. This is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm obsessed with this stuff, you guys.
I want my whole face to be glowy.
Oh my god, I didn't conceal the top of my brows. What is wrong with me? What's going on? I'm going with my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. I'm going to use this today. I'm just going to pop it onto my face. Just because this is a little bit darker than me, and it makes me look really like a bronze, and I like that. Now that I look like a chocolate goddess, I'm going to go in with my concealers. I'm using both my Tarte Shape Tapes. One's in the shade Deep, one's in the shade Tan Sand. That Maybelline powder. You guys know the drill. I'm going into my powder contour kit now, and I'm going to bronze. I'm going to bake slightly, just because I feel like my contour is not as sharp as I would like it to be at this point in my life. Alright, let's do blush. I'm using my Anastasia palette. I'm going to use the purple and the pink a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my contour kit and use the orange blush in here for the front part of my cheek. For my highlight, I'm taking none other than my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade La Bronze. Okay, so let's finish up the eyes. I'm going to go back into the Take Me to Brazil palette and use this hot pink under my lash line. I'm going to keep it more toward the outer part. And then I'm going to take the orange and put that in the inner part. I'm going to pop La Bronze in my inner corner. Actually, I think I want something brighter in there. I'm going to go into this shade. It's called Primavera, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. Because I want something like bright. I'm going to take the Hydra liner and put it in my waterline. Hopefully I don't tear up and like die, but let's see. Definitely all in my eye, so hold on a second. Oh my god, I forgot that I was baking. Let me wipe this bake off. I'm gonna take a really like flat, tiny detail brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to use this black called Decadent and pop it really, really, really close under my lash line. For my lips, I'm using my Wet n Wild liner in the shade Simma Brown now and a Satin Ribbon from NYX. I'm going to run some of my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Dubai right over top because I feel like it's not brown enough. Alright you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I think it turned out really cool, really different. It's definitely something new for me and I'm into that right now. Like I'm into the whole 2018 new year, new me. Like I'm gonna try new things. So yeah, that's why I came up with this. I was kind of just sitting down creating and I think it came out really, really cool. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!